It's season 6, baby. We're going to the moon. Get your bindings on. Let's go.
Tick-tock, timeless, falling, silence, you roll, mileage, take off, pilot, ready for blast off, get ready for blast off, pilot, go, take off, pilot.
What up, Team Buckhouse? We are at Keystone for opening day. It is about 3 in the morning. We're gonna just chill, wait, get first gondola, where we got first gondola spot. I know you guys are stoked on that. We're gonna have an incredible day today, so enough talking. Let's get this first chair, let's get some laps, and we got a couple hours to wait, but we got it. We got first chair, we got to walk through the banner, that's so sick. Alright guys, that was first chair action. We can slow down and now jump into the vlog. How sick was that though? Got to break the banner. Last year I got first chair, but it wasn't as cool as breaking the banner, being on the front page photo. Stoked on that one. And I know you guys are gonna be stoked on this one. And it's not today! Sticker shout out. It's Benton! I found him.
Am I today's sticker shout out?
I guess we have Benton be a sticker shout out, kind of. He's got a pink one. Look at that. So with having Benton introduced, we got Sean, Kenny, Chris, Tom. We had a whole crew this morning, and now we're just gonna send it normal vlog style. Here we go, guys. Run number 2 down. The conditions are preseason for sure. It's all man-made snow, a little bit of fresh snow mixed in there, but it's hard. Once the sun gets higher, we're not snowboarding in shadows. Ooh, it's gonna get good. Do you guys know what else is man-made early season but still gonna get really good? Today's sticker shout out, we got Jeremiah Schwunschwantz. I'm gonna butcher these names, guys. So those Billy Nair with he took 2 Evolution stickers, made his own. Guys, if you want an Evolution sticker or any of our Evolution merch, the hoodies, t-shirts, the long sleeves, they're all linked in the description if you guys do snag any of my merch. So make sure you tag me on my Instagram because I'll give you guys shout outs in the videos like this. But just know if you do snag the merch, it's how I do this for a living. It's how we travel to all the cool new resorts. So snag Evolution merch. And I'm getting a phone call from the ski dock. What up, dog?
It's season 6, baby. We're going to the moon. Get your bindings on. Let's go. Woo!
Wake up, get up, stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs, brush my teeth up, wash my face, throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Drink some water, brush my teeth, get out of bed and I stretch. Bed in my hair is a mess. Look through my clothes for a fit. Anything I do is drip. Feel like
so something I'm noticing, at least especially that last run, that I never used to notice on these opening days. So many people have a camera on a selfie stick and are filming themselves doing a run or riding around. I fully take blame for that, guys. So I'm sorry about all the people running around with selfie sticks, talking to a camera, being weird. That's my fault. But if you're new to my channel, you should subscribe to join the strongest ski and snowboard community on the internet. Yeah, see? Let's go! Yes, see? Let's go. I was just telling everyone it was my fault. Everyone had selfie sticks on the mountain. Oh, there's so many out
Yeah, exactly. Everyone.
Yeah, we take a photo. And these guys ski!
We love your videos. We gotta watch your videos, though.
My favorite stump, and it eventually will get buried with snow. Now Benton has a jump that he will, of course, wants to backflip.
Well, we kind of have to shape it.
Oh no! What is this?
That water run in, a better run. There's a water run.
What is that? Well, clearly we need more speed, but there is a side hit now. Guys, if you can't tell, the run's getting busier. Look at all these people showing up. Early season's pretty dangerous. We call it the white ribbon of death for a reason. Now, I did make a snowboard safety tip that talks about your blind sides and how to not get hit by other skiers and snowboarders. So even if you're a skier, check that video out. I promise you'll learn a lot about the mountain and how to protect your blind spots, how to not be in the wrong spots, things like that. It's all about being safe on the mountain. So we have 0 collisions because no one wants to run into another person. So yeah, let's keep snowboarding. I tried to get fancy. Benton would try to backflip that. What's that? What's your name? Oh, I'm Mitch too. What up, man? You want to show the ski sticker real quick for all the skiers out there? Because you're a skier, dude. We rep. Alright guys, this one's Chipmunk. We're gonna rip it. We're having a great day today.
Buckhouse.
What up, dog? How we doing?
Opening day without.
Yeah, couldn't be.
Bro.
What up, boys?
Hey, have a good season, you guys.
Yeah, some, you lose some. Woo, that was so sick. That run is so fun, and this has been so sick. But this is even sicker. My buddy Michael's mobile tuning rig. So Michael is the ski doctor. He runs a mobile tuning business up here in Summit County, but he also runs out to Denver once a week, and he'll come to your house, your car, wherever you are, tune up your gear, and today he's gonna tune up mine real quick. He's sizzling. On a serious note, not only is Michael one of my best friends, but he helps me film. He's such a good filmer. We love Michael's filming style. It's kind of like a skateboard-esque style. So by using Michael, not only are you supporting a small business, you're supporting a rad dude, but you're also supporting my channel because it allows him to come film me and spend time with us every day on the mountain. So hit up the ski dock.
Wait to do it. Fresh.
And with that, Team Buckhouse, Michael's tunes are the best in the game. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
In another video.
When you call Michael.
Oh yeah. Or that.
And tomorrow.